Hello paper bead fans. Today I would like to show you how to turn beautiful paper bead buttons into a connector or a finding like these earrings here. Very easy and simple to do, and you will get inspired. I got inspired by just seeing this beautiful magazine colors. So we will make beautiful jewelry today. This is the earring that I made using the paper bead button as a connector, and you just hang the smaller paper beads interconnected with rosary loops, and and there you will have a nice chandelier earring, and you can adjust the loops however you want it. So the materials that you need, you will need the bead dangles, and you can use the paper beads or you can use crystals, but I already connected them like this, and we also sell it like this in our Etsy shop, and this will also be presented on Jewelry Television when I go back sometime next month. So, and of course you will need the paper bead buttons, and they come in two sizes. This is a 14 millimeter and this is the 12 millimeter. So and what's cool about it is that they have a different pattern when you turn it over. So some of them have a completely different color on the other side. And the other thing that you need, and just to give you an idea also, this is magazine colors. So they're just you will get random beads when you buy them from our shop, and they are strung on a nylon cord like this. So to continue, you will need a 24 gauge wire. I prefer to use gold. Somehow gold, I like the gold color. And you will need the chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and a cutter. So to start, first you need to cut about maybe 6 inches of the 24 gauge wire. You will need to cut 6 of this. I'm just trying to estimate 6 inches, but it should be about that. And then you will need to do a simple wire loop into the paper bead. I decided to use the bigger button bead instead of the smaller one. I found this really nice color, so I'm going to use that. So take your 24 gauge wire and just insert it into the hole like that, and just pinch it like this, and cross, make it cross like that at the top, and this will be your longer tail, and I would just want to straighten that up like that. And now I can just wrap the shorter tail around the longer tail. So you can use your hands or your finger, or use the chain nose pliers, sorry. And then I'm just gonna cut off the excess wire like so, and then tuck that in. Now you will use just the tip of your chain nose pliers, bend it away from you, and take your round nose and about here, and then proceed to make a simple wire wrap. So I think I have a tutorial somewhere that explains this more in detail, but I think this is detailed enough. And just wrap it around and over the previous wrap of the shorter tail, and just like so. So it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, it gives it that organic look. So I just want it to be facing that way, and then cut. And you will do the same thing. You need 3. Just let's make this and do it here. It's away from, make it easier, and then just start wrapping onto your longer tail. So like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. The less perfect it is, the more organic looking it'll be. So continue that, and then you can move around the loops later on, so don't worry about it. And got it, tuck it in, and continue to do the third one. Now you're finished with the 3 loops. This is where your 3 dangles is going to be, and you just need 1 more on top. So you need to cut 8 of the 6-inch 24 gauge wire. I previously said you just need 6, but I forgot that you need 1 on top here where you are going to attach your earring finding. So you continue to wrap 1 on top, and then we will put them together. So now you're finished with your paper bead connector. You're ready to connect your paper bead dangles onto the loops. So the top loop is where your earring finding is going to go. So just put it in right now. And then you'll take 3 of your paper bead charms, and this is very easy, just a simple twist of the wire to open it. So these are your rosary loop wire. Just close it back, and simple twisting action, I should say. And this one goes here, and take another paper bead dangle or whatever whatever beads you would decide to put on here will be just as pretty. And somehow this got undone, so I'll just put it back on there and close it back, and there you have your chandelier earrings. So I think the bigger button looks even nicer, don't you think? So there you have it. I hope I have inspired you to make something with your paper beads today. Thanks for watching.